Hey, it's Masse here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve the perfect twist out every single time, only using one product. Just one. Twist outs are currently my go-to hairstyle with all the tips that I'm going to show you. I hope watching this helps you perfect your twist out and make it a lot much easier because it's honestly my favorite thing to do with my hair right now. And as you can see, it looks bomb. I hope you enjoy the video and let's get to it. This is what my hair looks like before washing. I did have a previous wash and go. A gel was used in my hair, so it left it kind of flaky and like white stuff is falling all over the place. So I'm gonna go wash my hair and I'll be right back. When washing my hair, I used Not Your Mother's Bond Building Curl Top. This is the dual action shampoo conditioner. I use this once probably every 2 weeks only because it is sort of like a treatment, and I believe it has protein in it, so you don't want to put too much protein in your hair, especially if your hair doesn't need it. Usually when my curls are feeling dull or when I'm doing a wash and go and the curls are not, as popping as they should, I would use this. It smells really good. Yeah. The first product is the holy grail, the product that you need to have in your hair care, shelf, cabinet, basket, wherever you keep your hair products. This is Miss Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Frizz Patrol Anti-Poof Setting Mousse. I get my hair done at a salon called I Am Nubian in Long Island, New York, and this has been a game changer. Where I go get my hair done, they also use this on my hair, and my hair seems to love it. I have my hair in these twists just so it won't dry out as much, but even if my hair is kind of dry and I put this on, it just, soaks it all up like a sponge. I've also seen other people with different curl patterns use it, and it pretty much does the same job. It hydrates your curls. No frizz, little to no frizz. I barely see any frizz when I use this for my twist out, and it's just a bomb. Like I haven't tried it for a wash and go yet. I only use it for twists, but this is like, I think this is my third bottle. This is literally the only thing I use. I just don't want this selling out though, because when I mean this is the only thing I use, it's the only thing I use. I should probably gatekeep this. But yeah, we're only going to be using this product, no other cream, no other gel. We are using foam today, baby. Foam. Let's get the name, yeah. The second thing we're going to be using is a tangle teaser. I don't know if they have different types, but mine is this cute turquoise brush that I like to use to detangle and, make sure the curls are there. Basic claw clips. I only use these. I don't know if they're called like alligator clips. These are the only clips that I use. They're from T3. I only use 2. For now, I'm gonna leave this side alone and start on this side. I like to pin this away. We're not gonna see this for a while. Then what I like to do is unravel this section. Oh, I forgot to mention, so when I wash and condition my hair, I do section my hair off into 4 different parts, so it's easier for me to work with. I do have a lot of hair. It's very thick. This is the part that has been a game changer in my routine because now it saves so much time and I don't have to worry so much about making the parts perfect, because really when you unravel the twist, it doesn't really matter if the parts are perfect or not. I just like to take my finger and section what I'd like to twist, and if I feel like it's too big, I would remove pieces of hair, and if I feel like it's too small, I would just simply add hair. I'm just going to leave it there and twist away the other part like so, and I'm going to use my other clip and just clip that there. Now I'm going to take my Frizz Patrol, pump about pumps. Honestly, it doesn't matter if you drench your hair in this, it will not flake, which another thing that I love about this product, no matter how much you add in your hair, I wouldn't go overboard, but you can add a decent amount and your hair won't feel heavy and it does not flake at all. Now I'm just gonna put it on my hair and just detangle it. You see how smooth that is? The easiest thing to do, you just separate it into two and start twisting upon each other. And usually when I get to the bottom, I like to twirl it around my finger like so. And then we have our first twist. All I have to do is repeat the process. I section off my hair with my finger. Pump the foam. Put it on my hair. Brush it through. And twist. Finished with one side. The way you twist your hair, like the direction you twist your hair, that's where your hair will fall, and when you take it out, that's where it would stay. When it comes to achieving this perfect twist out, I feel like styling and separating is the most important parts of this routine. I'm gonna just call it the SS, styling and separating. When you style it, you want to make sure that you're working in the direction where you want your hair to fall once you separate it. And in this case, I do have a round cut, but my hair has grown so much these past 2 months, I decided to do a middle part, even though I do have bangs, but my bangs are now long enough so that it could sit on the side. If I wanted a side part, then I would have done my twist, going this way, and then this would come this way. But since I didn't do a side part, that's not where my hair will fall, if that makes sense. If I know I parted my hair a certain way on this side, I'm going to try to do the same on this side so it has a bit of symmetry to it. The bigger the twist, the less you have to take out. The smaller the twist, the more you have to take out. It depends on how much time you have on your hands to put into this routine. I kind of go in between, and it does get smaller towards the front, as you can tell. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did for the other side. Let me just twist this one back up. This is what it looks like when I'm finished doing my twist. I'm gonna try to give like a whole 360 right here. This is the back. Let's see if I'll just show you the other side from here. Yeah, I'm about to blow dry my hair. The curly girly said it's not good to air dry your hair. You could possibly damage your hair strands. I'm not fully sure what all of that means, but I did start diffusing and blow drying my hair so that I won't walk around with my hair wet, or I won't go to sleep with my hair wet. I don't like going to sleep with my hair wet though. I'm gonna do that off camera because it's loud and annoying. I'm going to sleep with this hairstyle and take it out the next day. Usually I would rock this look for a good 2 days to a week. If I have nowhere to go, I'm keeping the twist in my hair until I have an outing. I can't wait to show you how it looks when the twists are out. But yeah, these are the twists. It looks cute or whatever. I definitely lied. It's not the next morning. I am on day 2 twist. When I woke up yesterday, my hair felt a little bit damp. It's not good to take out twists when your hair is wet, because then you won't get the full effect of all the hard work you just put into your hair. And the hairstyle will just look a mess. I usually sleep with a silk bonnet and a silk pillowcase, but you can use either or. Now I'm just going to show you the takedown process, which is the separating and unraveling, and how you can learn to perfect your twist out. First things first, I like to use Miele's Rosemary Mint Scalp Hair and Strengthening Oil. I know this blew up on TikTok. I usually like to use oils when I have a protective hairstyle and or when I have braids. I don't use it often. So I'm just going to put this in my scalp. It feels nice, I can tell you that for sure. Do a little scalp massage, you know. I'm going to take a scrunchie hair tie, anything works, and I'm just going to put my hair up. You don't have to worry about the front, but as long as you can see what you're doing in the back of your head, that's what really matters. What I'm going to do now is pull out a twist. I'm going to show you how I unravel my twist. So what I used to do was start from the bottom and open it up, and I saw that that created more frizz. And when I was working on a project with a hairstylist, like a professional hairstylist, she was telling me to unravel my twist in the middle, going the opposite way of the way I twisted my hair. So let me show you what that means. So as you can see, it's getting tighter as I twist in the direction that it was twisted. But if I twist the opposite way in the middle, you can see it separating on its own. So you're going to want to do this, and then you're gonna put your fingers in the middle and just let it go. Whoa! What we're going to want to do is kind of see where it separates on its own. Don't force it, and then just kind of twirl it around your finger like that. I'm going to show you the difference between what I just did and what happens if you just separate it, like whatever. I'm going to show you in the back so you know, when my whole hair is out, you can't really tell. But this is the difference if you like separate it where it doesn't, you know, naturally fall. You can see the difference. It's a little bit more frizzy than what I did here. So you're just going to want to gently, you see how it just came out? Twist it, and boom, there you have it. And depending on how big you want your hair also, that's where you're gonna do more separating. But I am fine with it being a little bit condensed today. Keep on taking from the little ponytail. Again, twisting from the middle, the opposite way. You can see it separating. And you're just going to pull apart gently. You're just gonna play with it. This is why you need time to do this too. And you're just gonna see like where it naturally comes out. Let's see, this one. Also, with your hair in a ponytail like this, it helps with knowing what you took out and what you didn't, because usually if my hair is all out and I just start taking out the twist, there's always 1 or 2 twists that I forget, and it just sits there and I'm like, oh, okay. This is my last twist. I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the scrunchie. Oh, this came out so good, and I didn't even pick it out. If I want my hair any bigger, I'm gonna go ahead and use my pick and just pick at the roots. Don't touch the beautiful curls that you just took out. Only pick at the roots and you could automatically see the difference from when I did that. I'm just gonna pick the other side so it could be the same. I'm sorry, I'm feeling myself too much in the mirror. I'm gonna show you the full view of the hair. This is the back. Ooh, that was my back. That was the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I also hope that you try out this routine. Let me know in the comments or DM me if this has helped your twist out routine, or if you're gonna do twist outs for the rest of your life because of this video, because it honestly saved you. I know it saved me. Learning these tips and practicing them has made it so much easier to achieve this look. And like I've said numerous times, it's a go-to. Also, this twist out can last me up to a week and a half if I take care of it. And usually I just sleep in a silk bonnet or sleep on a satin pillowcase. Either one works, just so you can maintain the curls and that it doesn't get as frizzy. And I'm a huge fan of big hair, so the bigger the better. I prefer when it's a fresh twist out to start off small, and as the days go by, just let it get big. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Bye.